What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are finally gonna do the Ratchet electric ratchet wrench review and our Work Pro tools. So we're gonna keep this one really quick. Anyways, let's get right to it. This is the tools that you guys have been seeing me use. Okay, boom, would you look at that? Here we go. So what do we have in this tool case? So we will get to this first. So first of all, in this kit, we have the most important part, which is the stuff that goes flying all the time. That is nice. Cool. I love it. Okay, so in this kit, we have the Ratchet wrench. We got two batteries, super important. So they go in like that. Click. Boom, very simple. Oh, this one we do need to charge it. Is that medium battery? So, yep, that's how that one works. You just plug it in. You can go clockwise, clickety click, boom, just like that, counterclockwise. Super easy. We got all the very important bits. Our main one that we use is the 10 millimeter. To remove lots of Mercedes-Benz related stuff. And then we have our extension. This one is super important because then it allows you to use this kit, which is super important. But the biggest ones that we use, especially for valve covers, spark plugs, are the T25s, which go right on just like that. Boom, easy peasy. Same thing for the T30, which we always use. Very important piece, and just like that, easy peasy, very simple. We got our charger that you can use to charge the actual batteries themselves. This is the funniest thing. Where do you see a charging port for this battery? Underneath on the bottom? No. Over here? No. On the top? No. Boom, it's right there. That's such a weird spot to like charge it, but that is what it is. Boom, there. That's how you charge it. I don't know why they decided to do it like that, but hey, I guess it works. That's how you do it. So that's how you charge it. Nice and simple. They are Ratchet branded. These batteries are literally the most expensive part of the actual kit itself. Not even the Ratchet itself. The Ratchet is probably like 10 bucks. These batteries were the ones that made up the entire kit, which was like $100. Then we got our spark plug tube wrench. Super important. It is on a small little extension. I believe that is 3-inch or whatever, 4-inch. Got the actual hand ratchet, which we almost never use. Because everything is done by the electric one. This one is just in case. So yeah, pretty simple, straightforward. Nothing really crazy there. Anyways, very easy to disconnect. Boom. Put it back inside the case. Come on. Boom. There. Fits like a glove. That goes inside like that. That's it. Nothing else really to it. This goes in there, and then obviously we get to this. This is a really cool kit. This is exactly what I needed for little interior repairs. You got your little ratchet wrench right there. So it is ratcheting, because you can see, clickety click. And this one has the other important T-sockets. We got T25, T20, 15, and then obviously the rest of those are all of the standard Phillips. And then we got a few Imperial style hex. And then that one to be able to hold it. Very straightforward. Love how that works. That's another one that we use. Yeah, pretty straightforward, very simple. But this is such an important toolkit. Like honestly, this has been the backbone of the repairs on the channel. And I'm really happy to have this toolkit. Very useful. This is just the beginning. We are going to be getting many more tools, and obviously I've got tons more in my little what do you want to call it, like treasure chest of tools in my other room, and obviously those ones are eventually going to go into a gigantic toolbox when we buy a house. Stay tuned for that. We will make it. That is going to be an amazing accomplishment. Anyways, guys, quick little review. This is super important to me, probably super important for you guys. Moral of the story is buy the right tools. Make sure that they're not crazy expensive. This was only $100. This was like 10 bucks. And honestly, this is exactly what we need for all of the little repairs for the C63 that we've been doing. Nothing crazy yet. We're not going to jump into any very difficult repairs. We're just going to do the beginner and intermediate stuff. Super simple tools. Know your tools, guys. Know what kind of car what kind of tools your car takes. And that's pretty much it. Just get it and start wrenching away. It's the easiest thing in life. That's it. That's all I got to say. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.